Hello everyone, welcome to Romanso. Today I'm going to show you most street release tests. We use an industrial oven to eliminate internal street impacted component. Internal stress forms during PC length instruction molding. Without removal, lengths may turn right, warp, crack, or lose light transmission over time. To ensure stable quality, we run street relief tests on our 2 to 3 mm thick LED PC lengths. Place length into an industrial oven and heat at 110 to 120 degrees for 2 to 4 hours. The oven holds set temperature automatically. After heating, cold lengths slowly inside the oven to room temperature to fully release inner streaks. And then we take out lengths after cooling. No bubbles, no edge warping, no whitening, text passes. Our PC lengths are stable. Thank you for watching. This is Romanso, reliability in every detail.